back. Let me get my sip of water. They sell this cup at Costco's. When I tell you, you put ice in it, it will stay in there for a whole 24 hours probably, and it's only $15. Now, if you go to Fry's or something like that, they got the same cup, but they want 40. Don't fall for the gas. Go to Costco's. They got them in different colors too. And if you put this in your car, the bottom grips on to the top of the cup holder because, of course, there's no cup holder in the car that's going to fit a thing this big. It sits there. You can turn corners. It does not move. It grips onto the top of the cup holder in my car, so it doesn't move. So as you can see what we got here. Leo gang. Husband showed out, y'all. So let's see what we got from Louisvuitton. Louisvuitton. Cannot wait to hold this. In the bag like this. Lovely boxes and stuff. I do save all my boxes. I make sure, although my boot box is a little bit tattered, but it's okay. I got my receipt in here along with my essay. She was awesome. I will say. Let's open it up. And let's see what we got. Now I want to say this name right, because I forgot the name of this thing already. Okay. So what we have here is the Kirigami Pochette pouch. Pochette, if you're trying to be bougie. And that is this. Let's bring y'all in a little closer. It is a envelope style pouch. Now, this is a good bang for your buck. And the reason why I say that is you not only have one, you got two, three. So you got a large, a medium, and then a small. You get all three of these. You cannot buy them separated from Louis Vuitton. You have to buy all of them together. Now, if you go on places on the secondhand market, if there are people who are selling them separated. So this is called the Kirigami Pochette. I think Pochette, yeah. And the price for it is $7.45 with tax here. It was $804.97. So this is basically a good bang for your buck because you're getting three basically pouches, wallets that are big enough for all different things to use. This was my first card holder, and I'm going to attach this back to my bum bag, my Louis Vuitton bum bag. But I was having so many cards and stuff, I have to clean this out, that it was getting to the point where I had to pull out another pouch. And it's just a pouch that was given to me by one of the head coaches. I had to take some things out because it was starting. I didn't want to bust the zipper on this. So as you can see, you know, it's just so much stuff in here. that it kind of gets stuck. So I have to clean this out and then attach this back to my Louis Vuitton bag. But I wanted something bigger because I have a lot of stuff. I have stuff in here. I have stuff over here, you know, another pouch. So it's just like, yeah, I need something bigger. So let's see. What is this? Oh, so it's just the SKU tags that they Louis Vuitton put in here to tell you what the bags are. Again, this is the Kirigami Pochette. I guess that's how you say it. I don't know. But they all fit inside one another. So you want to put some stuff in here, you can, and then slide it in here, and then slide it in your bag. And people been doing these, what can I fit in these things? So this thing, as you can see, they all are color coded. So this is like a, kind of like a mauve or in the lavender type family. This is like a burgundy or wine, more of a wine. And then this is more of like a pink berry or orange red or something like that. I don't know, they're coming up with all these different, but we're gonna see. I'll show you my Costco card. We're gonna see what all, they say you could put earbuds in this. I don't have any earbuds. So you can fit a card in here. Let's see my bank card. That's 2 cards that's in here. These are my most important cards. Your girl got my concealed weapons permit, my Sam's card, my health insurance card, another card. So these are my important cards that I have to keep on me at all times. And so how many cards is in here? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards. So I got 6 cards in here in this little card holder. Let's button up. Let's see what I can put in this little medium one right here. I got my lip stuff. If y'all ain't up on this, Rhodes. This is what's her name? Child, I don't know her name. This is Rhodes. You can look it up. Got my card, my keys to my car. You know, got my mace. You can slip on the side like that. See. Put this right here. I could slip this back in here. Put this over here. So I got that. All of that could fit in here. Situate this lip gloss in here because you know this key ring is giving me the blues. Okay, let's put that right there. There you go. Okay. And then let's see, let me close it. Yeah. There you go. And I got my mace right here. So there you got that. And I don't really keep anything else in my wallet, you know. So I got my gum, and I gotta have my gum. So let's go. Let's see if we can put all 3 of these to use. So I got will put my gum in here. Let's see. This is the while I was carrying. One of the coaches that gave me this is like a whole system with a whole bunch of little wristlet pouches and all of that stuff. So you know, I keep my money in here. So this is what I was using it to keep my dollar bill, y'all. Put this in here. Here you have it. And let's do this. That in here like that. Let me come back. So all my stuff is in my bag. Oh, where's my gum? Hey, Document, yeah, better give me a shout out. Give me a check. Let me show y'all what's in this bag. All my stuff, and it's still not even heavy. Let me pick y'all up. So this is what's in my bag, and as you can see, it all fits very nicely. And I can put my gum in here, right there. And then I still have room to fit something because I got this big pouch right here. So all three of my envelope Louisvuitton Kirigamis is in this one thing. I'll get my gun in here. This is a full-size gun. And I could get my gum. Yeah, and I still got room. Wiggle room to move. Yeah, I better level up. Let's level up, people. Let's level up. So that's what I got for y'all. I got, what's this Gucci bag called? I'm tired, y'all. I don't know what this is called. I was about to say the Carla, but that was my essay. I don't know. It's a men's bag, I do know. So if you go into Gucci, you go to the men's Gucci, and you'll see this bag is right next to the bum bag with the same big G's on it. When you walk into the store, it should be if your store carry it. It just says men's bag. Oh, this is the messenger bag. Duh. So this is the men's messenger bag, but a lot of women are carrying this bag. Again, they have it in the black. I wanted to go with the signature. And yeah, I just needed something that just had a wide open space. So this is not really supposed to be for this, but it's the messenger. But that's this. Had I known about this before I bought this, although I'm trying to think, in my bum bag, probably the medium one would fit in here, but again, I got this to go on the rings on my bum bag, so this is going to go back on there. I'm going to clean it out and put all my stuff into my small. It's just an envelope style pouch that you can put all your stuff in. See? I left the card out that I need to put in here. It needed to go in here. So I think you probably could fit up to 10 cards in here, if I'm not mistaken. So anywho, let me end this, and I will see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, welcome. I should have said welcome before I started, but forgive me, it's late. Press that subscribe button, give me that thumbs up, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this something, the Kirigami Pochette, is this something that y'all would purchase? Had I known about these before, I don't think I would have purchased that other one. I would have went on ahead and got this because it's more of a value. I think this right here was $250, maybe $300. I can't remember. But yeah, add this to your collection. And if you don't have Louis, this could be one way to start, because you can use this as a clutch. You also have accessories like on Amazon with a chain and stuff like that, that people has actually rigged this up to where you can wear it as all three of them as a separate crossbody, or you know, whatever, to jazz it up. So there's so much you can do with these, and I would say they are a great value when it comes to Louis Vuitton, because we all know how expensive they are. So get it. You need this in your collection if you are a Louis Vuitton carrier, or if you already have your bag and you want to splurge, go get the Kirigami Pochette. You get 3 for the price of 1. And on that note, I'm out. Peace.